on? I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Can you believe it's already October? What the heck is going on? I swear it was just Labor Day. Alright, so I have the Boxycharm by Ipsy for October 2024. If anyone's new to Boxycharm or Ipsy, this here is a monthly beauty subscription which costs $30 a month. Plus there's a $1.99 handling fee, so I like to refer to it as a $32 box. You get 5 products. 2 products are selected for you by Ipsy, and you get to select the remaining 3. Now choices are done on the 1st, and I'm filming on the 13th, so I really don't remember what I got. I do remember 2 products, but the rest will be a surprise to me. All right, we're back to paper as protection and not the foam. There is a booklet. Ooh, she is adorable. I love her Halloween cat makeup. All right, let's dive in and grab the first product, which seems pretty tiny. All right, this here is from, looks like CIATÉ London. Yep, and this is the Watermelon Burst 2-in-1 Everyday Lip Balm and Mask. All right, so it is small but average size for a lip balm. Now it says watermelon. Is it going to smell like watermelon? Yes. Okay. There's something about a watermelon scent in skincare beauty products that I love, but I hate when a brand says watermelon this and it doesn't smell like watermelon. What's the point? All right, no wonder I don't remember this. This is a product that Ipsy put in my box, and it retails for $18. All right, next item. Ooh, we have a palette of some sort. This is from ELOISE, and it's the Goddess palette. Now, the outside colors are giving pink. Let's see if the inside matches. No, not even close. It's still a beautiful color story, but when you look at the outside packaging, I was expecting kind of like lavender pinks, purples, and instead we got what I would consider a fallish look with some camel kind of warm tone browns, and then like a jewel tone. Is that a green? No, those are purple. On camera they're looking green. Are those duochromed? I have a feeling it's a duochrome. Yes, it shifts from purple to green. All right, I'm going to be doing a separate try-on video where we can test those out. But let's see how much that retails for. And I want to say I selected that while I look up on my very slow phone, or at least the app is super slow on my phone. I'm going to list the choices and stall until I can let you know that this palette retails for $32. All right, the next product is something from GIRLACTIK. This here is the Dewy Rose Petal Face Mist. Now, I love hydrating face mist. I do not like the scent of rose. So do we think something that has rose petals is going to smell like rose? Ooh, look how pretty. Or is it rose petal just because there are actual rose petals in the product? Hopefully my lights aren't too bright and you can see what I can see. All right, let's do a little spritz and see. Ooh, they taped it, so that's nice. So it wouldn't leak in the box. Let's see how good the mister is and if it's going to smell like roses. No, I mean, it has a slight floral scent, but the kind of floral scent that I like and enjoy and isn't overly like commandeered by the scent of rose. And then the mister is what I would call fine but aggressive. Like, I think if you hold it back, it's fine. Like, it's very light, soft mist, but it kind of shoots on out. That makes sense. What is that scent? It reminds me of a scent from my past. Ooh, it's giving vibes of a scent from the 80s. Do you remember a scent? Oh, what was it called? Not quite a perfume. It was just like a soft little mist. Baby something? I don't know. It was pink. Leave me a comment if you know what I'm talking about. It was super big in the 80s. And this is smelling like that a little bit. Not quite so powdery, but I don't know, the soft, fruity, floral vibes is just making me think of that. All right, what does that retail for? Shut the front door. This retails for $35. Wow. That, in my opinion, is a little pricey for a mist that is 3.3 fluid ounces or 100 ml. Because, you know, you spend $10 more and you're in the Charlotte Tilbury territory of products. And GIRLACTIK, I don't consider high end. But let me know if you do. It smells nice, but we will test it out on the face in that trial video. All right. Oh, and by the way, that was put in my box by Ipsy. So the next product, ooh, yes, it's coming back to me. I'm super excited. This here is from Tarte, and this is the Blush Tape Liquid Blush, and I got it in the shade a very classic called Pink. That's my commentary that is classic. It's funny because I'm used to products being like, you know, chameleon or just some made up name. This one's literally pink. All right, if you haven't seen these before, they are the standard that I'd say in this day and age with a sponge tip, and I believe this has, a locking mechanism. Charlotte Tilbury was the first, and every other brand kind of jumped on the bandwagon. All right, what does that retail for? If I had to guess, typically Tarte products are on like $35, but let's not speculate. And while I look this up, here is everything that was available in my choices. Oh, I was so close. It retails for $36, but to be fair, I think that is inflation. They used to be $35. All right, and then the last item, yes, this is one of the few products I did remember. This here is going to be a face palette from Lunar Beauty, which, if you aren't aware, is Manny MUA's brand. And look how nicely it came with bubble wrap. Ooh, this packaging is so adorable. All right, so this is the Moonshroom highlighter palette. Oh, I think I called it a face palette. I thought it came with blush and highlighter, but I guess it's just a highlighter palette with, I believe, some shades. Yes, that look like it could be, well, one shade that looks like it could be a blush, this shade here. All right, let's quickly do some swatches. And then if you're curious what these look like, by the way, that's what they look like on the fingertips. And I got interrupted myself. When I do the try on, we can see them in full force. Wow, that pink could be like a shimmery blush. All right, so here are kind of the gold and champagnes, and then right there is the pink, which, very pigmented. All right, what does that retail for? Again, I will share with you what my choices were. I'm very curious, by the way, if you get this box, to let me know if our choices are similar or very different, because I'm curious if me saying I want a combination of makeup and skincare, if it has any kind of impact on the choices I get, because I do want a variation, but I also want the good stuff too. And more often than not, I kind of want more makeup than skincare, but not enough for me to say skincare only, because then I'll have to use my own money to buy skincare, and skincare is not very affordable. All right, the highlighter palette also retails for $36. All right, let's recap everything I got in the October 2024 Boxycharm by Ipsy. I got the Watermelon Burst Everyday Lip Balm from CIATÉ London, the Dewy Rose Petal Face Mist from GIRLACTIK, the ELOISE Goddess Eyeshadow Palette, a Tarte Blush Tape Liquid Blush in the shade Pink, and the Lunar Beauty Moonshroom Highlighter Palette. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, holy cow, this is basically 5 products that are makeup or makeup adjacent. I would say a setting spray is makeup related. A lip balm could be considered skincare, or you could wear it with your makeup. And then a blush, a highlighter, and an eyeshadow. I am quite impressed. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. Not that value really matters per se, and probably because these are more makeup items, the value isn't going to be as high as when you get like an expensive serum or toner or night cream or eye cream. But that doesn't matter. If you're excited about the products you get, that's what matters, and I'm really excited about this box. It's been a while since a regular Boxycharm by Ipsy has made me excited. And this box has done that. All right, I do want to share that I did pick up one add-on. I like to treat myself to one $3.50 add-on, or at least I always peruse. Not always is there something that I would like and enjoy. But when I saw they had this complexion product from Thread, I've heard of Thread, but I've never tried anything. And this is a, I want to say drugstore, or at least they're sold at like Kroger stores. They're probably sold elsewhere, possibly Target. Don't quote me on that. But this is a cream stick foundation. And honestly, I knew I was getting a smaller deluxe sample for $3.50. I didn't expect it to be this tiny. It does come with kind of plastic around it. Let's see if I can get that open. No, but peeking through the cap, it looks like possibly it may be a little too light, but we shall find out when I do that try-on video. All right, now I want to hear from you. What did you think of my box? Let me know if you have received your box yet. And if so, did you enjoy your box as much as I liked mine? And if you don't get a box, just leave me a comment. If you don't feel like leaving a comment, even if it's just an emoji, it really does help with my channel. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.